crushing, uneven battles, or machines working at full capacity, along with many other epic moments. Let's dive into this video together. Let's get started. Let's witness a wood-eating monster, the Bandit Model 250 XP, devour branches with its 12-inch wide throat. Its powerful 129 horsepower engine shreds large logs into chips in no time. With a feed rate of 120 feet per minute, it works tirelessly like a determined lumberjack. This tree was cut down a few years ago, but its stump remained. Today, however, it's time for it to finally say goodbye. Let's witness a stump grinding monster, the Bandit SG-75. Tear through stumps with its 27-inch grinding wheel. Its 74 horsepower engine grinds even the toughest wood into dust in seconds. With a track speed of 160 feet per minute, it moves swiftly and works tirelessly like a seasoned lumberjack. Like a wood-cutting artist with its sharp 350mm blade, the Porsche Spaltfix S-350 slices through massive logs as if cutting butter. Its speed and power make wood processing look as effortless as a well-executed performance. I've never seen anyone pull out such a large tree stump as effortlessly as the guy in this video. You're witnessing a man preparing to use a tractor to pull out a large tree stump. The scene captivates you, especially the way he combines human effort with machinery to remove the tree. You're drawn to these images and wonder if others feel the same way. With its 860 horsepower engine, the Morbark 1000 grinds through wood like a meat grinder, handling logs up to 36 inches in diameter. This powerful machine quickly turns large stumps into manageable chips. Maybe he was too confident in his driving skills. Hopefully, he'll be more careful next time. Like a roaring beast with 74 horsepower, the Carlton 7015 TRX powers through any terrain, devouring stubborn stumps in the blink of an eye. Its spinning blades are like the scythe of death, grinding roots into fine dust, leaving no trace behind. With its sharp 44-inch blade, the CSI-DL 4400 is like an unstoppable steel warrior, slicing cleanly through massive logs. Its power turns every challenge in the forest into a breeze, as it handles timber with incredible precision, making even the toughest tasks seem effortless. Wow, that's truly impressive. The John Deere 948L-2 skidder is a forestry beast with a 9.0-liter diesel heart, pumping out 255 horsepower. It tears through tough terrain with four-wheel drive and effortlessly devours large logs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. See you in the next video.